If you've ever wondered how to turn your email list into a gold mine, you're about to find out. What's up? My name is Ace from MailerLite, and in just a few minutes, we'll cover everything you need to know to connect with your audience and keep them coming back for more. First, what is email marketing? Email marketing is basically having a one-on-one chat with thousands of people at once. It's a direct line to your audience, a golden ticket to their inbox, if you will. This is, of course, an extremely brief and extremely simplified example of email marketing. It goes well beyond this, but we'll dive deeper on that topic in another video. Before we even think about crafting the perfect email, we need to know who we're talking to. Imagine trying to have a deep conversation without knowing anything about that other person. It could be awkward, right? The same goes for email. To help you get started with a better understanding of who your ideal customer is, ask yourself questions like, what are their interests or what are their pain points? The more you know, the better you can tailor your emails. Now, let's get those subscribers. You want to create a sign-up form and make it easy to find on your website, blog, or social media. Offer something valuable in exchange for their email, like a free ebook, a discount, a template, or something like that. This is called a lead magnet. Next, you want to promote it everywhere, and don't be shy. The more people who know about your business, the better. Also, don't be afraid to frequently promote it either. Choosing the right email marketing tool. You need the right tool for the job. That's where MailerLite comes in. It's super powerful and affordable. Plus, we made it the cleanest, user-friendliest email marketing platform around. Here's where your creativity comes in. Make your emails visually appealing and also mobile friendly. Remember, most people check email on their phones these days. You also want to use images, videos, and clear calls to actions, but keep it simple. You don't want to overwhelm your subscribers either. So what can you actually send your subscribers? Well, honestly, the possibilities are pretty much endless. But in case you need a few ideas to spark your creativity, I got you covered. First up, newsletters. You can share updates, new products, or a tip of the week for boosting sales. Promotional emails. You can announce those irresistible sales, discounts, and special offers that'll make your subscribers click buy now. And of course, welcome emails. Greet new subscribers with a warm welcome and introduce them to your awesome brand. And there's educational content. You can share valuable tips, how-tos, or industry insights to establish yourself as an expert and build trust. The key is to experiment and find what resonates with your audience. I mean, you can even just ask them what they want to see more of and deliver it straight to their inbox. Last but not least, check the numbers. Track your email performance like a hawk. Look at open rates, click-through rates, and conversions, and use this data to refine your strategy and find out what your audience really wants. Now, if you're ready to turn your email list into a gold mine, try MailerLite today. I'll put a link down below. And I'll catch you all in the next one.